Beef with bitter gourd. Combine beef, soy sauce, cooking wine, and ground black pepper. Cooking wine. Mix well. Add 2 teaspoons cornstarch to the mixture. Continue to mix until all the ingredients are well blended. Heat 3 tablespoons of oil in a pan or wok. Once the oil gets hot, stir-fry the beef slices for 4 to 6 minutes or until the beef turns brown. Remove the stir-fried beef from the pan. Using the same pan, add the remaining cooking oil, add the sliced onions, add the bitter gourd, add 2 tablespoons water, add 3 tablespoons oyster sauce, continue to stir-fry for 30 seconds. Add the stir-fried beef. Cook for 1 minute more. Add water as needed. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and hit the notification bell to keep you updated. Exact measurements of the ingredients in the description box down below. Add salt according to your taste. Cook for 1 minute more.